Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI anti-CCP CLIA. This kit is used to analyze the anti-cyclic citrullinated peptide antibodies in human serum or plasma. The MAGLUMI anti-CCP CLIA kit, it is a primary purpose to serve as a diagnostic and prognostic tool for rheumatoid arthritis. Over here we can see here brand name Snibe Diagnostics. Over here we can see the product name MAGLUMI anti-CCP CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. This kit contains 2 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 8 ml buffer, 13 ml AV label, 15 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. Over here we can see the reference number of this kit is 130617501M, then lot number, then expiry date. The pictorial representation represents one instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using the ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. We can do 50 tests using this reagent kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This kit is manufactured from China. Here we can see the address. So the origin of the kit is China. Here we can see the European representation address also, Shanghai International Holding Corporation. This is the overall representation of front view. Here we can see the another angles. This is the top view. In this side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. And back side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On this side we can see the product details. Product name MAGLUMI anti-CCP. Then reference number 130617501M. Then lot number, then expiry date. This is overall representation of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. This side we can open. After opening we can see the reagent kit and instruction manual and other products. I am going to take one by one for your reference. After unpacking, the first product is instruction manual. Here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics and product name MAGLUMI anti-CCP C certificate IVD product. Here we can see the reference number of this kit is 130617501M. 50 tests per kit. So here we can see a indent use summary. We already seen this is for a recommended arthritis, test principle, reagents, what are the kit contains, warnings and precautions, reagent handling, storage and stability. So these are the contents, these are the stuff in this instruction manual. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is a MAGLUMI reagent seal. Here we can see CCP, total of 3 nurses. And next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics. And next one is a control stickers, total of 8 nurses. Here we can see the first 4 for anti-CCP control 1. Here we can see, and the second 4 for is anti-CCP control 2. So control 1 4 nurses, control 2 4 nurses, total of 8 nurses. And next one is a control solutions. This is packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. Here we can see clearly the white color cap contains control 1, red color cap 2, red color cap contains control 2. I am going to take this one. Here we can see clearly this is a MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml, anti-CCP control 1. So the white color cap contains control 1. I'm going to keep this aside. And the next one is Maglumi, volume of 1 ml, anti-CCP control 2. So the red color cap contains control 2. So here we can see the both control 1 and control 2 both are volume of 1 ml. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is a reagent kit. Here we can see clearly the product name Maglumi anti-CCP CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. This kit contains 2 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 8 ml buffer, 13 ml ABI label, 15 ml dilute. This is a front view. This is a back view. Here we can see the reagent kits and solutions. So here we go for summary. Today we can see the Snibe Diagnostics Maglumi anti-CCP kit. This kit contains one instruction manual, a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics, a reagent seal, total of 3 nurses, control stickers, control 1 4 nurses, control 2 4 nurses, total of 8 nurses, a control solutions, both are volume of 1 ml, control 1 and control 2, a reagent kit. This kit contains 2 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 8 ml buffer, 13 ml ABI label, 15 ml dilute. This is the overall view of this product. Thank you.